Let's start with this little superstar. The 8-Bitto SN30 Pro is perfect for nostalgics who don't want to miss out on modern features. Its compact design in the classic SNES look fits into any pocket, ideal for gaming on the go. Inside, it packs Hall-effect joysticks that respond precisely and never develop drift. Every move feels buttery smooth whether you're playing on a laptop or a console. The turbo function and rumble vibration deliver true gaming vibes in a retro body. And for just $45, you're getting premium tech at a bargain price. For anyone who wants to game anywhere without compromise, this one's a no-brainer. Next up is the IINE Retro Pocket Controller. So tiny, but don't underestimate it. Weighing just 80 grams, it disappears into any pocket. Perfect for commuters and travelers. The recessed Hall-effect joysticks stay drift-free and deliver surprisingly precise control despite the mini size. With 1000 Hz polling, you get lightning-fast response times and zero input lag. Whether you're on Switch, PC, Steam Deck, or mobile, this controller works with practically everything via Bluetooth. For just $22, it's a no-brainer. If you game on the go, you really can't go wrong with this one. When it comes to value for money, nothing beats this one. The Logitech F310 is the perfect entry-level controller for PC gamers on a tight budget. The wired design with its 1.8-meter cable means zero input lag, ideal for shooters and fighting games. Its unique 4-switch D-pad responds more precisely than standard ones and feels satisfyingly crisp. The Xbox-style layout feels instantly familiar, so there's no learning curve. With the Profiler software, you can freely remap every button, even for games without native controller support. For just $18, you get solid performance without any frills. If you need reliable basics, this is the one to grab. This one's the customization champion. The 8-Bitto Pro 2 is built for tweakers who want to perfect their controller setup. The ultimate software lets you customize everything. Button mapping, trigger sensitivity, even macros for complex combos. Add to that 2 programmable back buttons that give you a real edge in competitive games. The Hall-effect sticks ensure drift-free precision for years to come. A 4-way mode switch lets you instantly swap between Switch, PC, Android, and more. For $60, you're getting pro-level features at a fair price. If you want full control over every aspect of your gameplay, this is the one for you. This one isn't just the smallest on the list. It's probably the smallest you've ever seen. The CRKD Atom is a full-featured controller in keychain size. Sounds crazy, but it works. Weighing just 90 grams and about the size of a matchbox, it literally fits on any keyring. It connects via Bluetooth to Switch, PC, mobile, and even smart TVs, and charges via USB-C. Despite its tiny size, you still get all the essential buttons and up to 10 hours of battery life. The collectible card system with 8 different designs makes it a true collector's item. For just $20, it's perfect for spontaneous gaming sessions at the bus stop. It might not look retro, but it definitely belongs in that category. The ANBERNIC RGP01 packs a surprising amount of tech into its compact body. Hall-effect joysticks and triggers ensure drift-free precision for years to come. The RGB lighting in the sticks doesn't just look cool, it also shows the connection status. With 3 connection modes, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and wired, it works with practically anything from PC to Switch. 2 programmable back buttons let you record macros for complex combos. The modern design, available in 3 colors, feels solid in hand. For just $25, you're getting features that usually cost twice as much. Next up is the Retro Fighters Battler GC. It brings the iconic GameCube layout into the wireless era. The ergonomic design feels much better in the hand than the original, perfect for marathon Smash Bros. Sessions. The pressure-sensitive analog triggers respond smoothly and precisely, making them ideal for racing games. Thanks to 2.4 GHz wireless technology, there's no noticeable input lag, even from 30 feet away. The battery lasts over 10 hours and charges via USB-C. Available in 3 retro colors, purple, orange, or black. For $35, you're getting pure nostalgia with modern comfort. Another controller from the 8-Bitto family. The M30 is built exclusively for the Sega Genesis and Mega Drive, and with attention to every detail. The authentic 6-button layout feels just like 1991, only without the wires. The 2.4 GHz connection is lag-free and much more stable than Bluetooth. At just 90 grams, it's feather light, yet still feels solid in the hand. The turbo function turns you into a boss killer in Contra and Streets of Rage. It also works with the analog Mega SG, including wireless home menu control. At $30, it's the perfect Genesis setup. True Sega fans won't hesitate. The GameSir Tegenaria Lite's 90s retro look is deceiving. Underneath the nostalgic shell lies uncompromising tech. The wired connection eliminates any wireless interference and battery worries altogether. The cushion membrane buttons feel springy and premium, not like cheap plastic. With 1000 Hz polling, every input registers almost instantly. Perfect for competitive shooters. Hall effect sticks and programmable back buttons complete the package. For just $20, the price-to-performance ratio is downright ridiculous. If you're after a reliable budget controller, bullseye. The CRKD NEO S blends gaming and collectible culture into one controller. Just look at that elegant design. Each edition is limited and comes with its own serial number. You can check your rarity level through the companion app. The interchangeable stick tops let you switch up the look anytime, keeping things fresh. Hall effect sticks and adjustable trigger sensitivity deliver pro-level drift-free precision. 4 remappable back buttons give you an edge in any game. Bluetooth works with everything. Switch, PC, Steam Deck, even smart TVs. At $50, you're also paying for the collectible factor. For anyone who sees controllers as a lifestyle, absolutely worth a look. The 8-bit Do Ultimate 2C impresses with thoughtful details rather than marketing buzzwords. The refined bumpers and D-pad feel clicky, yet buttery smooth. Perfect for platformers and fighting games. The 4 extra bumpers, R4L4, can be remapped directly on the controller without software, saving you the hassle. With 1000 Hz polling in 2.4 GHz mode, every input reacts lightning fast with no noticeable lag. The metal rings around the sticks don't just look premium, they're built to last. Works with PC via USB or wireless, and with Android over Bluetooth. For $30, it's basically an elite controller at a fraction of the price.